This is the planet that rains glass sideways. But how does it do this? And why do I hear no one talking about it? This is a real planet. It's not CGI. And trust me, this is a very serious topic. In our universe, there are planets made out of diamonds, planets made out of cheese, and even planets made out of spaghetti. But this planet is special because it rains glass sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. Its name is WASP 39b, and it is an extremely hot gas giant located 700 light-years away from Earth. It is more than twice the mass of Jupiter, and it orbits a star similar to our Sun. However, what makes this exoplanet so unique is its atmosphere. If we were to take a trip to WASP 39b, we would find that the atmosphere is extremely cloudy. There are so many clouds that we wouldn't even be able to see the ground. It would look like a never-ending ocean of clouds. But if we were to get closer to the planet, we would realize that there was something very strange going on. The clouds weren't just sitting there. They were moving sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. And if we looked up, we would see something even stranger. The rain dot the clouds were raining sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. And the raindrops were made out of glass. But how is it possible for it to rain glass? How can a planet have glass rain sideways at 9 kilometers per hour? Well, scientists think they have the answer. According to them, the reason why it rains glass sideways on this planet is because of the tilt of its axis. WASP 39b is tilted on its axis at 80 degrees. That means that one side of the planet receives almost constant sunlight, while the other side remains in darkness. The temperature difference between the two sides is more than 1,000 degrees Celsius, and that causes strong winds to blow from the hot side to the cold side. Those winds reach speeds of up to 9 kilometers per hour, and when they collide with the clouds, they cause them to move sideways. The clouds are made out of glass because the atmosphere of WASP 39b has a lot of silicate. Silicate is a compound that is found in a lot of minerals on Earth, such as quartz and feldspar. When the silicate in the atmosphere condenses, it forms clouds and rain. The rain is acidic and it falls sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. Now, you might be thinking that if the rain is so strong, why don't the clouds just blow away? Well, that's a great question, but it's actually impossible for the clouds to blow away. Why? Because the planet doesn't have a magnetic field. And if a planet doesn't have a magnetic field, it means that it doesn't have an atmosphere. You can have one without the other. And if it didn't have an atmosphere, the rain wouldn't be able to happen. So the clouds are stuck on the planet and the rain keeps falling sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. This is a very serious topic because if a planet can have glass rain sideways at 9 kilometers per hour, who's to say that Earth can't? Maybe one day we will also have glass rain sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. Or maybe there is already a planet in our solar system that is glass rain sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. But we just haven't discovered it yet. Maybe it's Saturn. It's known that Saturn has glass rain, but we don't know if it rains sideways at 9 kilometers per hour. Now, I know that you must be very worried about this, but I'm here to tell you not to worry. Even if it does start raining glass sideways at 9 kilometers per hour on Earth, we will be prepared. Why? Because now we know that it is possible for a planet to have glass rain sideways at 9 kilometers per hour, and we will be the first ones to know about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.